Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Laura. If this is your first time, I'm so glad to have you. If you're a returning guest, you're always welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick look in HomeSense. If you're not familiar, this is the same chain as HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. Right up front, I love this beachy set. Isn't this gorgeous? Let's take a look at this umbrella. It's UV resistant for only $99. I love these with the scalloped edges. I love everything about this Nautica set. The whole set is $12.99.99. I love these raised swivel chairs, kind of like the director's chair. Beautiful blue and white design. This is a really neat Lazy Susan glass set with different sections to put your items in, like if you wanted to have different veggies and put your dip in the middle. That is really neat. Let me get both hands so I can take a look at the price on that. All right, so that set is $29.99. Very neat for 4th of July or Memorial Day. Also like this silverware or plasticware divider and holder for $12.99. That's a lot of fun. Some fun outdoor safe plastic tumblers for $3.99 and clear with blue and red on the ends. And this fun beverage dispenser in red for $9.99. That is outdoor safe. It's made of plastic. A gorgeous set. There's another beautiful outdoor set for $800. It comes with the sectional and the ottoman, gray rattan with beige cushions. I'm going to show you all these fun things in the window, although there is a glare from the window being behind it, and I can't reach these to give you the prices, but they have some beautiful items starting as low as $4.99. We'll see if we can't find some of those throughout the store. New markdowns on clearance lamps. I see $56 on this one in the center. This is a pretty design with a glass bottom. That one is now $99. There's a whole wall of lamps averaging $60. Some more clearance lamps. Most of these are around $40. Isn't that lovely? For $39. So many clearance lamps. Another beautiful display of blues and whites. Most of these are around $70. I do want to show you this Tiffany style lamp with the peacock for $149.99. Isn't that beautiful? Here's another three-piece outdoor set. This one by Martha Stewart for $599.99. Beautiful rattan chairs with an off-white cushion. Comes with a center conversation table. This is a fun three-piece set for only $2.99 by Nautica. Brown rockers and a center console or conversation table. This is a beautiful swivel rocker by Martha Stewart. Oh, okay, that is a three-piece set, and I can't believe it is $600. Quick look at the rugs. These 6x9 and 8x10s range in price from $199 to $249. Some of these smaller ones, 8x11, 6x9, are $99. Looking at 5x8s for $99. Wide selection of those, $129, $149. If you are shopping for a new rug, I would say look at Ollie's first for the best price, and they get good buyout selections every now and then, but if you need one immediately and you aren't afraid to pay a little bit more, HomeGoods has tons of rugs. Here's a section of clearance furniture, some bar height stools, 26 inches tall. Those are $79 each. And the Nathan Ginger chair is now $69. I like this bar height or counter stool. It's only $45. I have a few of those. You just kind of have to look throughout. It's a pretty console with marble top. That one's on clearance for $349.99. Look at this panel. This folding panel. That's only $99 now. That was originally $400. This is the single most dignified squirrel I have ever seen in my life for $25. That is a precious print. Here's a cute outdoor dining set for $499.99. And look at this cheerful, perky, yellow, lemony umbrella up above that. I have to take a closer look at these pillows. That is so cute. A bolster pillow by Nautica Home. Indoor or outdoor use. Those are only $20 each. That's a bargain compared to a lot of places. Very cute set. Yellow flowers. Some silk roses are $35. These plastic tumblers are $3.99 each. Don't see a price on the tray today. Alright, I could never show you all the flowers in here, but I do want to show you that there are several clearance flowers ranging in price from $8 to $16, so not bad at all. These are indoor flowers. You would not want to use those outdoors, but they do have some UV resistant flowers. This arrangement is $29.99. This baby's breath is safe for outdoors. Don't see a price on it today. This orb is $19.99. Oh, gorgeous. Hydrangeas for $130. That's a little bit too pricey, a lot too pricey, but that is stunning and it looks so realistic. Some purple flowers by Primrose Vintage. That comes in a basket for $50. Here's some more silk flower arrangements ranging in price from $18 to $30. Look at this beautiful resin swan down here on the bottom. Don't see a price on her, and she's too heavy to lift, but she is beautiful. This is a giant 3-foot wide orb for $99.99, safe for outdoor use. And some more flower vessels, hydrangea arrangements. This fish ceramic for $29.99. Boxwood outdoor use orbs. These are about a foot in diameter for $30. These are the indoor safe flowers and orbs. Let's see how much this hydrangea arrangement is. $40. Those are the real feel of these horses. Too heavy for me to lift. And they still have this wind chime tempting me. Looks like sea glass. I love the light sound. That one is $30. It has a wooden top. Oh, look at all these beautiful florals. I wish I could go over each one individually. Around $20 for a bundle of those. These are real feel tulips. $20. Those are by Mikasa. As always, they have a wide selection of wreaths ranging in price from $30 to $90, depending on the size and material. This is very cute. Plaster pig for $80. He's a big guy, around 2 feet long and about 12 inches tall at the highest peak. And just like TJ Maxx, they have a wide selection of the made in Mexico colorful ceramic items for tabletop and outdoor use. Lots of flower pots. I think we saw that bird bath at TJ Maxx. Thinking it was $129. It's a beautiful 5-piece chat set for $5.99. Unbelievable prices today. That one is also by Martha Stewart. Comes with the conversation table, 2 chairs, armchairs, and 2 ottomans. This is a cute white wicker or rattan outside dining area. Dining set for $600 with 4 chairs and a table. And here is some of that stretchy cord type chairs, 3-piece set for $600. There's another cute umbrella. I love these umbrellas. This one is $400. Let's see what is different about that. Business and Pleasure 7-foot span teak wood frame umbrella. That one is $399.99 with beautiful scallops in navy. Outdoor dining area by Nautica for outdoors. I don't see the price on this one, but I'm assuming it's the same price as the navy, but this one is in white. And yet another 3-piece outdoor set for $399.99 in the natural rattan. This is a beautiful sofa for $700, and taking a look at this artwork behind here, looks like an oil painting behind glass. Beautiful frame for $80. Let me take a quick look at the Statuary. They have so many new outdoor pieces. Look at this fun hippo by Martha Stewart Home. That's resin for $30. There's also this sweet little dog resin statue over here. This guy is solid resin for $40. He is heavy. Some beautiful cranes or seabirds. Those are actually, I believe, terracotta or plaster for $50. It's a beautiful outdoor safe flower urn for $35. That one is plaster. These fun mushrooms back here. Those are resin, solid resin. I believe it says $60. The top of them is flocked, so I'm not sure how that would do outdoors. Beautiful statues down here. We have Mary for $99.99. She's a solid resin. This fun little boy with a jump rope. He is made of metal. Not going to be able to get a price on him today. And also another beautiful angel. I think we saw one very similar to her at TJ Maxx for $99.99. They also have the hose pots here that we saw at TJ Maxx for $69.99. That's for the smaller version. You can also use those for firewood or a flower arrangement. Here are some more seabirds. Those are plaster for $80. They stand about 3 feet tall. This is the largest flower pot I have seen for $160. It's resin, a solid resin. It would be so heavy. It's probably 3 feet tall by 2.5 feet in diameter. It's a neat rattan side table for $99.99. Look at the ducks and the ducklings. Solid resin for $40. This is a very interesting flower vessel made of plaster. This one's by Nate Burkus and it's only $50. Probably 2.5 feet by 1 foot. Isn't this an interesting solid wood table? Handcrafted in India. That one is $250. And here's a beautiful marble top side table or plant stand with metal legs. That's beautiful for only $80. Here's another unique vessel. I like these because nobody else will have one like it, or at least very few people. Don't see a price on it. Almost looks like an egg. How cute is this outdoor rattan plant stand for $40? You could put a glass vessel up there and make it into a bird bath. Moving through the design accents, they have lots of black items, water vessels, some in muted colors. This is gorgeous. Very heavy stone vessel made in the Philippines. That one is $35. That's beautiful. And they always have a great selection of glass accent items for your home. Some leather woven baskets. They seem to be trending right now. We saw some of those at Kirkland the other day. Those are $25. And lots of mossy succulents and orbs. These are $19.99. This neat collection in a shell base is $80. Take you down this aisle of interesting design elements. It's really neat for $40. You never know what you're going to find in these stores. This is a beautiful collection of items. Many of them are made in the Philippines. And here are some more of the Mikasa lemon collection. We saw some of these at HomeGoods the other day, but if you are missing pieces or you want to add to that collection, they have quite a few here at HomeSense scattered throughout the store. There's another neat rattan silverware holder for your picnics for $17. And we also have that in watermelon design, also for $15, a little bit larger. Enough room for napkins, forks, knives, and spoons. $2.99 for a 3-piece chat set, 2 rocking and 1 Adirondack. I don't know how to say that word, and/or I never have been able to say it. You know what I'm trying to say. For $299.99. That's a great deal. So there is the rocker, and then the little chair, or the little side tables back there upside down. This is very cool. It is so substantial, so strong. It's like a wood covered cord. I don't know what you would call that. This is a part of a 3-piece set by House and Garden, hand woven. The 3-piece set is $499.99. Here's another 3-piece conversation set for $399.99. These are the best prices that I've seen anywhere on these guys. Also by Nautica, and those are swivel chairs in rattan with beige cushions. All right, guys, I think we have been all around the store. Everything from lighting to florals, home decor, furniture. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. We'll be doing our first giveaway soon as we near 6,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. Be sure to like this video. That's very encouraging. And share. That is how you say thank you. If you're watching this on your phone, hit that hype button. That helps so much. All right, guys, I'll be back again tomorrow with another video. Until then, take care and God bless.